welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a DT for Tracie Fox. That's Tracie Fox Creative. If you do not know Tracie, please go follow her along with the rest of the DT team. They are amazing and you will be very happy to follow them. So the kit is called the Crime Casebook Add-on Ephemera. You can find that on Etsy. You'll also find the link below to her Etsy store. I thought it was a fun little, as I was working with this series, this is one of 6 series, so please stay tuned to see the whole series in a later video. But when I was working on this, I named this one Rusted Shut. Like I said, I don't really do a theme throughout of Rusted Shut. It's mostly based on my covers and the series name. But when I was working on this, I thought, man, that would be a fun little kit to put throughout this journal, as say, like, you know, all the little confidential stuff, evidence, case info, whatnot was stuffed in here, kind of locked shut and then lost and rusted and then refound and less rusted, excuse me guys. And yeah, so I thought it was a lot of fun. So here's just one of her little labels. And then I do these little wrap ties. So here's the front, which is just mimic really rusty metal. It's got aged and textured, eroding away. This is a spigot that I found that's on there, stuck on there very well. Here's the cover. I do a hidden curved spine. They've been my favorite. I just love the roundness of the spine. And I always do a very kind of grungy textured spine lately. So this is just a full little piece I made, metal piece, and a key, of course. I don't add too much on my dangles, just a little fun little dangle piece. Here's the back, very textured, as you can see, very grungy. Here's the top of the journal. And this is something that I designed for my journals. I think I'm going to keep the style on the rest of my journals, just another fun way that I've evolved with my journals and my signature plate. I've gotten into copper with the series because electroforming is something I'm wanting to do, and so the copper has kind of been everywhere for me. If you follow me, you've kind of seen that. So it's landed on all my journals as well. So I just thought this was a fun little way to represent my art, sign my art. So there you go, guys. So here is the beginning of this journal. So open it and you come across this little file folder, part of Tracie's kit. We'll put there. So you can kind of see that little evidence. There's caustic wax kind of spread throughout this journal. This comes out of there, and this is sewed in. Just little papers, little fun little evidence papers. This was sewn together with a piece of fabric. And here's some case photos, and I use encaustics. I've worked with encaustics for several years, so I use it in all different ways, but I thought it was fun, you know. I could have done the transparency, but I always think it's fun because encaustics can give you that same kind of feel, but in a different way. So yeah, there's that. Little case files go back in here. Mess with that one later. Anyways, so there's that, and then another one of her little labels has encaustics in it. You can see it's kind of just add the sheen to it. And then her little labels here, or little tags. I just run a piece of encaustics on there. It's fun. It's little shreds of fabric. This is the front cover. Front cover of the journal, or the first signature cover. This is very, very textured, you guys. Lots of layers, lots of colors. There's like a little nail with some fabric in it. One of Tracie's tabs from the kit. I'll go through the first signature pages because they all repeat themselves pretty much. I don't do a lot with my pages. Like I said, I do add like these little fun little stuff here for some texture and layering. But my art journals, so they're meant to write and do whatever you want with. Sorry, my little mat's falling down. But these are so cute. Look at these little evidence tags. It's fun, just friends about. Kind of the same here. Instead of adding transparency, I kind of just ran the caustics over it, so it kind of gives it that feel. Another evidence tag, and then like I said, I'll go through the first signature with you, so you can kind of see the pages. Like I do work with them. You know, I add some color to them, some copies. They're all tea stained. Some are just paper. But I'll do some work with the pages to go along with the journal, adding, like I said, some colors, some oranges, a little one of her evidence cameras. Here's the back of that. I'll show that off because it's all really about my signature covers in the cover. And then that's just a little, I think this one's from Family Ties, a very old kit of hers. It's very popular still. So check that out. Just wire wrapped and on top of a paper clip. I just think it's fun to add some stuff on the top as well, some different elements. Another one of Tracie's tabs. And again, here's the front of that, so I'll show you that just because those are different. And again, repeats itself. And here's the back. Evidence stuff, some masking tape, the back of the second and the beginning of the third. Again, this is just hooked on with a clip there. I think it's just, like I said, fun to add different textures, metals, layers. There's an axe made out of wire. I love working with wire or string, my signatures. So this one's wire this time. And then here's the front of that. See the caustic. And when you rub your finger across it, you can really buff it out. That's one thing that's cool about resin, because it has caustics, because it has resin in it. Gives it that really high sheen. There you go. There's that. Again, like I said, I add color that goes with the journal and some of my pages. Here's the back. That's really grungy. I wish you guys could feel the texture. Bumpy, grungy, matte, sheen. And then these are a lot from these are from the kit as well. So you get a lot of different kind of pieces of ephemera with this kit. Again, just a little swipe of encaustics on there, just to get that feel. This was fun to do. Look at these, you guys are so freaking funny. Like little nose shapes, eyeballs, foreheads. This kit is so cool. I just fell in love with it when I saw it. Side views, front views. Try to identify criminals. And then this is just like a little note thing I put in the back for notes. This is like a little evidence pouch that you can add this stuff in. I didn't add anything in there, but this journal is kind of getting bulky as it is. So it's just perfect. Has the right amount of ephemera in it. Again, her little tab, another little photograph. So we'll just stick those in back in a minute. Anyway, so I always just do like little pouches or little envelope pouches in the back and the front. Here, this is a little bit different. Yeah, so that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this journal. It was a lot of fun to make, and the kit just, like I said, fit perfect, looked perfect, it worked so well. Thank you, Tracie, for being an awesome digital artist. Please stay tuned for my upcoming series, Erosion. I will be doing a flip through. That might be a long video, just because there's 6 of them, and this will be included as one of the 6. I have a lot more stuff, so that'll be in a later video. But again, thank you, Tracie, for everything. Thank you for your design team for being so kind and supportive of everyone. It's a lot of fun. So please head over to Tracie's Etsy. Please follow all the rest of the D team, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.